Hi there, I am Nitesh and today I am going to show you how to increase your comment in your Facebook account on your photos. So just follow all the steps and don't miss any of the steps. So first of all you have to go to your default browser, that is Google Chrome. I will go to that and right there the website link. I will paste that link. I have given the link in description. You can click on that link to open the website. Click on that. The website is opened, so just scroll down and log in with Facebook. Click on that. Enter your email or mobile number. Now enter your password. I have entered it. Now click on generate access code. Now the code. This is the code. Copy the code. Right click and copy. And copy that, paste that code here. And click on login. Now your Facebook account will show. If you want to comment, then click on auto commenter or auto reactions, auto followers. You can also auto comment in reactions. Auto comment, click on. Click on if you want to comment in your status, then status, photos. I will click in my photos. This is the photo. Click on open album. Now click on send comments. Now you can less your comment 59, 58. I'll increase it up to 60. The maximum is 60. You can comment what you want. There is a new system that you can comment what you want. You can cut it and comment in your own word. Like I will select wow, great. You can comment in your own word what you want. Nice. Awesome. Fancy. And more. And click on send comment. The comment is sending. See, I will go to Facebook. See, the comment is coming. See, more and more is coming. See, 73, 76, 80, 83. This type more and more comment will come. Thank you for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe, like and comment in my channel, because I am making new videos for you. So thank you for watching my video.